Hey all, welcome to my channel. How are you all? Hope you're all liking my food recipes. So today I'm going to prepare Rayalaseema energetic and power packed recipe which is Ragi millet drink. Now let's start the process. Firstly, I have taken 3 cups of sprouted ragi millets. So for 3 cups of millets I have taken 1 cup of dry fruits. These are totally optional. Cashews, badam and pistachios I have added into this. To give a flavor, I took 2 ilachis. So first we'll do the powder. Just dry roast these ragi millets. Give a roast for 4 to 5 minutes, that's enough, until you feel the flavor of this ragi. Keep it aside. Just wait until it comes into room temperature. Now dry roast these dry fruits. Now let's do the grinder. Make sure you are grinding them separately. First I have grinded this ragi millet. I have just added 2 ilachis to give a flavor. Now it's a powder, right? Let's filter this. So that if there is any dust particles into this, you can avoid them. Filter this into a fine powder. Just start your day with this drink and have lots of health benefits. I prefer having it in the mornings. You can store this for 1 month. Now mix these dry fruits. Just give a grind. Look at this. It is finely powdered. Now mix both this ragi millets powder and dry fruits powder into the same mixer. That's it. Your ragi millet powder is ready. Now let's begin the drink process. I have taken 1 cup milk, 1 cup water, 2 tablespoons of jaggery, 2 tablespoons of ragi malt powder and 1 bowl. Firstly, add half cup of water and melt the jaggery first. If you have any doubts regarding this quantity, you can check in the description box. Meanwhile, we just melt this ragi malt powder in the remaining water. Still you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to it for more videos. If you have any doubts, just comment us. Now add this melted ragi powder into this melted jaggery syrup. Add it slowly so that you can avoid lumps. Keep it in a sim flame and do all the process. Stir it well until it becomes thick and soft. This drink is rich in calcium and iron. People of all age groups can have this, especially for kids. This increases the immunity. If you feel like adding a little more water, you can add to it. I give this drink to my baby every single day and I have seen many changes. That's it. Now it's time to add milk. Keep it in a low flame and stir 1 more minute. Finally, our ragi malt is ready to serve in hot. That's it, friends. This is superb energetic drink. If you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon for more notifications. Thanks for watching. Until then, see you all. Bye bye.